Split-end trimmer and hair trimming shears are two common tools used for hair maintenance and styling. While both serve the purpose of trimming hair, there are significant differences between them in terms of functionality. A split-end trimmer, as the name suggests, is specifically designed to target and remove split ends. It operates by snipping off the damaged ends of the hair, leaving behind healthier strands. Plus, split-end trimmers are equipped with a specialized mechanism that identifies and trims only the split ends without affecting the overall length of the hair. On the other side, hair trimming shears, also known as scissors, are versatile tools used for various hair cutting techniques. They're designed to cut through the hair at different lengths and angles. Hair trimming shears have two sharp blades that come together to precisely cut the hair, allowing for more control over the overall shape and style. When using a split-end trimmer, the technique involves passing small sections of hair through the device, which then trims off the damaged ends. This process requires dividing the hair into manageable sections and carefully maneuvering the trimmer alongside the strands. Split-end trimmers often have a comb attached or guide that helps in separating the hair and guiding it into the trimming mechanism. In contrast, hair trimming shears require a different technique. They're typically used by a stylist or a trained individual who carefully sections the hair and uses the shears to cut across the desired length. Hair trimming shears offer more flexibility and control, allowing for various cutting techniques like point cutting, layering, and texturizing. Split-end trimmers are primarily used to maintain hair health and prevent further damage. They're particularly beneficial for individuals with long hair or those who frequently use heat styling tools or chemical treatments that may lead to split ends. Split-end trimmers help in maintaining the hair's integrity by removing split ends and reducing breakage. Hair trimming shears, on the other hand, are used for overall hair maintenance, styling, and shaping. They're commonly used in salons or by professionals for various cutting techniques to achieve desired hairstyle and length. Hair trimming shears allows for more creativity and precision in achieving specific styles while also enabling the removal of damaged ends. Split-end trimmers are specifically designed to target and remove individual split ends with precision. They have a mechanism that isolates and trims only the damaged portions of the hair, leaving the healthy strands intact. This precision ensures minimal loss of hair length and overall hair health. Hair trimming shears, on the opposite, provide more flexibility in terms of precision. They can be used to achieve precise cuts and shapes, allowing hairstylists to create intricate styles and perform techniques like blending, feathering, or thinning out the hair. The sharp blades of the shears enable hairstylists to have greater control over the amount of hair being cut. Split-end trimmers are generally suitable for all hair types, including straight, wavy, curly, or oily hair. They can effectively trim split ends without causing any significant changes to the hair's natural texture or curl pattern. Split-end trimmers are especially useful for individuals with long hair or those who want to maintain their hair length while getting rid of damaged ends. Hair trimming shears are also versatile and can be used on different hair types. However, they may require more skill and expertise to achieve desired results on certain hair textures or styles. For example, curly or textured hair may require specialized cutting techniques to enhance the natural shape and avoid excessive bulkiness. Split-end trimmers are designed for both professional and at-home use. They're user-friendly devices that allow individuals to maintain their hair health and manage split ends without requiring professional assistance. At home, split-end trimmers are often handheld devices that are easy to use, making them a convenient option for regular maintenance. Hair trimming shears, on the other hand, are primarily used by professionals such as hairstylists or barbers. They require a certain level of skill and expertise to achieve desired hairstyles and cuts effectively. While some individuals may opt to use their trimming shears at home, it is recommended to have proper knowledge of cutting techniques and caution to avoid any unwanted results. In terms of cost, split-end trimmers are generally more affordable compared to high-quality hair trimming shears. Split-end trimmers are designed for a specific purpose and are often available at a lower price point, making them accessible to a wider range of consumers. Hair trimming shears, especially professional-grade ones, can be more expensive due to their quality, durability, and versatility. They're designed to withstand frequent use and maintain sharpness for extended periods. Professional hairstylists and barbers often invest in high-quality hair trimming shears to ensure precision, longevity, and overall performance. In summary, the main difference between split-end trimmers and hair trimming shears lies in their functionality, technique, and intended use. Split-end trimmers are specialized tools designed to remove split ends, promoting healthier hair, while hair trimming shears are versatile tools used for overall hair cutting, styling, and shaping. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. Like, comment, and share it with your friends if you find this video useful.